Welcome to our introduction to the Qorvo QPG6200L dev kit. This kit features a low-power, multi-standard system-on-chip with best-in-class RF performance. With advanced wireless technology, it seamlessly integrates Matter over Thread, Zigbee, and Bluetooth, ensuring smooth connectivity across all your smart devices. It is perfect for exploring Matter-compatible devices like lights, switches, door locks, thermostats, and many other applications. It's your gateway to the smart home of tomorrow. Inside the kit, you'll find a notice and a card with a QR code for accessing the Qorvo GitLab. Once you remove the notice and protective foam, you'll see the Qorvo kit along with a USB-C cable for power and programming. Let's explore the key components of the kit. It's made up of two components, the carrier board and the radio board. From left to right, you'll find the J-Link debugger, the USB-C connector, the Arduino headers, the measurement circuits, the potentiometer, RGB LED, and the white and amber LEDs, the slider switch, 5 push buttons, the reset button, the external battery option, and finally the CR2032 battery holder. Visit our website at qorvo.com for more information or to order your Qorvo kit. Thank you for watching.